With A Rocha Perú, we are working on the arid coast of Peru, southern Lima, in the Ica region, with local very poor communities that live in desert areas, where the native trees, the native forest, dry forests have been deforested for charcoal and agriculture. We're very happy we are working on a reforestation project with native trees, reforesting together with these communities and churches who have offered their time and also give us some land to have the nurseries. Every family would take home some trees and plant them in their backyards. We were also happy through this project to raise awareness about the environment and the importance of trees and also the benefits of trees in this area. In just a year we can already see some difference because it brings more birds to the areas and people are caring for the trees. So now we hope to take this experience from Ica to Lima, to the suburbs and the slums areas of Lima, where there are huge communities living in very difficult conditions. Some social work is being done, but very little environmental action. And we really think that we could combine both, having reforestation through agroforestry, and combining trees and local organic crops together with poor families and communities, also to improve their alimentation and to be places where we could have environmental education and activities for the children and just caring for their environment and their living areas.